Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Bank of America account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Bank of America website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, find the Profile or Account Settings section. Look for an option labeled Security or Security Settings. Step 3. Select Two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to select your preferred method for receiving authentication codes. Options may include text messages, phone calls, or an authentication app. Choose the method that works best for you. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Follow the prompts to verify your chosen method, such as entering a code sent to your phone. Once verified, save your changes to activate two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Bank of America account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your contact information up to date to ensure you receive authentication codes without any issues.